Hi, today I'm front of me iPad Pro 2017 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open just the settings application and then we should click to the sound section. Here we can see a reduce allowed sounds option. Just to use it we should click on the switcher, and if you want to change here the decibels level, just we should hold and swipe this white dot. Also we can see here ring and others volume panel. Just to change the volumes we should hold and swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. To change also the ringtone with the volume buttons we should use the switcher, and now we should press up or down volume button to change the ringtone volume. If you want to change the ringtone text, new mail, sent mails, calendars, reminders and airdrops or sounds, we should use this section here. Just to turn on and turn off the keyboard clicks and lock unlock sounds, we should click on the switcher, and to use the fixed position of volume controls we should also use the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.